Welcome boys. Okay, in this video we're going to be removing the headlight assembly on our second gen Dodge Dakota. Not this one though, because it's mint. We're going to be removing this one because it is not so mint. But I'll show you on this side because it's a little bit easier to see. Now, if you only needed to remove not the entire assembly, this little screw way in there, it's like a T10 or something. You can unscrew that, and then that allows your this to kind of pull free, and then you can access your headlight or this independently, because believe it or not, this is not actually one piece. There's two pieces here. This is its own thing, and then this is its own thing. But there's 3 bolts that actually hold the entire assembly in here. That one, this one, and I guess you can kind of see that in there. That one right there. So we're going to get those off. Now, even if you have the bumper on, this isn't difficult. But if you watch my previous video, I had to take the bumper off because my dad broke it. And so while we're here now, and we have easy access, if your bumper's all crinkled up and smashed up, though, it might be more difficult. So I'll get you set up here, but this is going to be pretty easy and straightforward. You just need to unplug, remove all these bulbs that we have here. So we're going to do those, take the 10 mils off, and then we can just slide this guy right out of here. Severed my wires. That son of a bitch. Well, we gotta do some wiring work. Guess we don't have to unplug that though. Curse you, Dad. If I'm not mistaken, I think this broken bolt actually what that second one would be. So see, like I mentioned, this is its own piece, this headlight. And the rest of the assembly here is its own thing as well. Didn't cut this wire. But see, this little thing right here threads onto this, and that's what holds this whole assembly to that. So if you need to just pull this out to replace your bulbs in here, you can do that and then just pull this thing out. You don't have to pull the whole assembly out. You can, but you do not have to. Now I gotta try to figure out how to get, well actually I just told myself how to do that. I could take this, pull this through, and then that's how I'm gonna get this out. Alright, so we need to do some wiring work here so I can reaffix that. I can use it in the future. That was why I only have one turn signal. Now it's all making sense. The pieces are finally falling into place. Alright boys, well, it's as easy as that. It's how you remove your entire headlight assembly. And then I kind of hack job told you how to remove each piece independently. So I'm going to go ahead and get on that now. and then do my wire repair now. And then, yeah, next video on the Dakota will be taking this fender off. And we're slowly but surely getting to where we can put it back together, which should be hopefully not that big of a pain in the ass. And of course he had to wreck my one fender that has the antenna on it. But we'll see how easy that fender is to get off in the next one. So I'll catch you then. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.